Welcome students to our maths class. We'll continue chapter 11 with our practice set 28. Okay, so we are going to continue practice set 28. Here the second sum. Find the ratio of the first quantity to the second. Now in the first sum, you all seen that we had only numbers. Okay, now in the second sum, we have the numbers along with their quantity. Like for example, first one, they have given beads. So my last video, as I told, when we are comparing, the quantity should be of the same kind. Okay, that is beads and beads. Okay, rupees and rupees, minutes and hours. Now if you see in the third sum, we are comparing here, they have asked us to compare 15 minutes and 1 hour, which is not possible. We have to convert them to the same unit. Okay, as I told you that on page number 58, there was an important line which I asked you to mark also, that the units also should be same. So here for the fourth sum also, liters and liters is same. But again in the fifth sum, you will see kilograms and grams. So either you convert to grams or either you convert to kilograms. And in 6th standard, you have already studied that how to convert the units, the measurements. Okay, now here liter and milliliters. Then again we need to change here to milliliters will be better. As I had, when I was teaching you all earlier, I have told you all that it is better to convert to the smaller unit. So among liter and milliliter, milliliter is smaller, so we will convert to milliliters. Same way in minutes and hours, it is better we convert to minutes. Okay, so always try to convert to the smaller unit. Now paise and rupees, so both are the measurement of money, amount, but again units are different. One is paise, other is rupees. So we will convert both to paise, because paise is the lower unit in amount. So already 60 paise is there, 1 rupee will convert to paise. Then again 8 some grams and kilograms, so we will convert to grams, kg to grams. Then meter and centimeter also we will convert to the same unit. So in this way, now here before getting our ratio, we need to do this work whether we have to convert to the same units. So let's begin. Here the first sum. Okay, now the first sum, you will see already we have both the numbers are with beads and beads. Okay, so this can be done. So to find a solution, we have to take the ratio of the first quantity to the second. Always read properly what is given, first to the second or second to the first. Now if it is first to second, then it will be written as 25 beads upon 40 beads. This is first quantity to the second. But if the question was find the ratio of the second quantity to the first, then the second number will be written up and then the first number. Okay, so keep in mind, read the question properly. First quantity to the second, so first number is written up and second number is written down. Now we need to find the ratio of 25 and 40. So what we have to do is, we have to see that both the numbers are present in which table. They are the multiples of which number, and both should be present in the same table. So it can be, you can, as I said, that you all can recollect what you have studied in the test for divisibility, or you should know your tables very well. So we know that 25 and 40 are present in the table of 5. They are the multiples of 5. Okay, so when we divide this, we get 5. 5 5s are 25 and 5 8s are 40. Now when you get this answer, first step when you get the answer, check whether it can be divided further. Okay, 5 upon 8. 5 and 8, are they the multiples of any same number? No. So it will be kept as it is. So this is your ratio. Okay. Moving to the second sum. The second sum is for homework, because it will be similar. They have given 40 rupees and 120 rupees. Okay, so first quantity to the second, and you can divide and you can solve. Now the third one is 15 minutes and 1 hour. 1 hour. Okay, now in this case, solution. Now as I told you that we need the same units. I understand that both are the measurement of time. Okay, 1 hour is also showing time and 15 minutes also showing time. Both are time measurements, but the units are different. So very important, units and the measurements both should be same. Sorry. So here when we begin, first we have to convert. Now what we'll convert? We'll convert hour to minutes. Okay, so 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is 60 minutes. So instead of 1 hour, 15 minutes we will write as it is. We don't have to change that. And instead of 1 hour, now we will write here 60 minutes. Okay. Now we have to take the ratio of, we have to find the ratio of 50 minutes and 60 minutes. So therefore 15 minutes and 60 minutes. Okay, so here when we are taking the ratio, just take the numbers. Now we have to divide and we have to bring it to the lowest form, then only we'll get the ratio. Okay, now again 15 and 60 are the multiples of which number? There are many numbers, like for example 3. Okay, so 15 and 60 is present in the table of 3 also. 3 5s are 15 and 3 20s are. Then again they are the multiples of 5 also, because 15 is present in the table of 5 and 60 is also present in the table of 5. 5 3s are 15 and 5 12s are 60. And then one more, there is 15. 15 1s are 15 and 15 4s are 60. Now which table you will take? You can take any table. You can solve it with any table. You have to go on doing it. You have to go on, keep on solving it till you get the smallest number. For example, I will start with 3. Okay. You can also start with 5. You can also start with 15. Okay. Now, 3 5s are 15. And here down, 3 how many are? 20s are. Now what answer I have got, solution what I have got, can I still divide and get the lowest form? Yes, because 5 and 20, they are the multiples of table 5. So this 5 and 20 I can still reduce. How? By dividing by 5. So 5 1s are 5 and 5 4s are 20. Now check again, 1 and 4, can I still divide and get the lowest form? No, this is the lowest form. Okay, because 1 and 4, I cannot divide it with any number, that I still get the lowest form. So this is the lowest form here. And one more thing, when we are writing the answer, you will not answer like 25, this ratio, 25 upon 40 is a ratio, 5 upon 8. You will not mention beads, or you will not mention your minutes. Ratio doesn't have the unit. So you will just leave it. Because sometimes you may think that, okay, in the question they have given minutes, so we will write 1 minute upon 4 minutes. No, this is a ratio. So this is written without the units. Okay, now I'll just show you another method that I said that 15 and 60 can be divided by 5 also, 15 also. So we will see now what happens if we divide by 15. Okay, so this is just or I have put. So this or this. You solve only one, don't solve both. But I'm just showing you 15 upon 60. So again I said that 15 upon 60. 15 and 60 are also divisible by 15. They are present in the table of 15. So if I divide 15 up and down, 15 1s are 15, 15 4s are 60. So what is the difference you will see here? Here I had to do twice. I had to do in 2 steps. Here in 1 step I got the answer. Here in 2 steps I got the answer. Okay, so you start with any number, but only 2 important things, that is they should be both the numbers should be the multiple of the same number, and you have to bring it to the lowest form. Once you reach to the lowest form, you have to stop. Okay, so this 15 and 60 can be solved by both the ways. Okay, now we will take the fourth one. fourth is 30 liters, and it is 24 liters. Okay, this is also for homework because this is simple. Both are liters. So you will just write the 30 liters upon 24 liters and you will see that by which number it is divisible. Okay, now going to the fifth sum. Fifth is 99 kg. Okay, and it is 44000 grams. Okay, as I told you that we need same units. So whether we are changing the grams or whether we are changing the kilograms, we are changing kilograms because as I said that try to bring it to the smaller unit. From kilogram is more, gram is less. So we will convert kilograms to gram. Therefore, solution. Okay. Now, 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Okay. Therefore, 99 kg is equal to 99000 grams. You can do by the other method also. That is, you can convert into kg also. I will show you that also. It is not a hard and fast rule, but it is convenient. Okay, it is not a hard and fast rule that you have to convert to kg or you have to convert to grams. You can make both grams or you can make both kilogram. It is up to you which calculation you find easier. So here in this solution, I will convert. So first I will write this before I start. So here 99 kgs I have converted to grams. Sorry. So answer is 99000 grams. And already they have given 44000 grams. 99,000 and 44,000. Okay. So this in the first one I have converted to grams. Now I'll show you how you can convert both to kgs. Now here the sum is 99 kg and 44,000 grams. We will convert both to kg. So this we know that 1000 grams is equal to 1 kg. Therefore 44,000 grams is how many kg? 44 kg. Okay. So if 1000 gram is 1 kg, 44,000 grams is 44 kg. We just have to divide by 1000. Therefore, what is the sum now? Okay, here the sum has been converted to grams. Now we are converting to kg. So 99 kg and 44 kg. You can solve by any one method. I am putting here or. Either you convert to grams or either you convert to kilograms. Okay, so it is your choice which calculation you find easier. Okay, now here in fact both the answers will be same. Okay, so now here the sum becomes 99,000, 44,000 grams and grams. Okay, so now 99000 upon 4000, with which number we have to divide so that we get the lowest form. Okay, now here if you see 99 and 44, they are the multiples of 11. Okay, and these are the 3 zeros, so we can divide them by 11 with this 3 zeros. 11 okay, so what is the answer here? We get 9s and 4s. 11,000 9s, 99,000, and 11,000 4s, 44,000. Okay, or if you are doing by this method, it is 99 kg upon 44 kg. So now 99 and 44, they are the multiples of 11. Therefore 9 upon 4. Answer you will get same. Okay. But in first sum, we have, every time I will not show you both the methods. Just I am showing you in one sum. So you know that any unit you can change, but change it to the same unit. Either kilogram, kilogram or gram, gram. So here in this part we have converted to grams, grams. In this part we have converted to kilogram. You will not do both the methods. Do only one. Every time you have to do only one method, which is convenient for you, because the answers will be same. Okay. Now after this, moving to our next sum. Okay. Now the sixth one. Now sixth one is 1 liter and 250 milliliters. Okay. So this is also for homework. I will just show you the conversion. That is, either you convert to milliliter, milliliter, or you convert to liter, liter. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll convert this liters to milliliters. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. Okay. Solution. Therefore, now here 1 liter is there. So instead of 1 liter, we can put 1000. So therefore, our sum becomes 1000 ml and 250 ml. Correct? And therefore, we have to find the ratio of 1000 and 250 ml. So again, 1000 upon 250. Now you divide and you see in which table they are present, or they are the multiples of which number, and then you keep on doing it till the last smallest form you get. Okay. So if you want, I will do this now since I have done this half. So what we do is we divide. Now you think over it. 1000 and 250. They are present in which table? If you don't know the higher tables, you can start with a smaller number. You can start with 5. They are the multiples of 5. You can start with even 2. But then your steps will increase. If you try to take the smallest number, now see, the 1000 and 250 are the multiples of 2. They are multiples of 5. They are multiples of 10. They are multiples of further 25. Okay. So as you go to the higher number, your steps will be less. As you start from the lower number, your steps will be more. That's the only difference. So we will start with maybe 10. It is more easier. So we'll start with 10. So if we divide with 10, when we divide 1000 with 10, 10 how many is a 1000? 10 hundreds are 1000. Okay. And if we divide 250 with 10, it is 25 tens are 50. This is a simple calculation. We are just taking out 0, 0. Okay. In this division, 0, 0. So 100 is left. In this division, 0 and 0 is removed. So 25 is left. Now still we have to do further because they are divisible by the same. So you can do it with 5. You can do it with 25. If you know the table of 25, 25, 5s are 4s are 100 and 25 ones are 25. Okay. So if you want, you can do with 25, but if you don't know, you can do it with 5. 5 how many is are? 5 20s are 100 and 5 5s are 25. Now again, still you can do further because they are the multiples. 20 and 5 are the multiples of 5. Go on doing till you can see that whether the two numbers are present in the same table. So you just ask a question that 20 and 5, are they present in any same table? Yes, they are present in the table of 5. So I will now, how many are? 5 4s are 20 and 5 1s are 5. So this is the answer. So I was just telling you all that if you do directly, for example, I've put aura, so that means you don't have to do by both methods. If you know your tables very well, and if you know that yes, 1000 and 250 are divisible by 250, okay, 254s are and 251s are 250. Or you can even start directly by 25. Okay, if we start with 25. So here we have done 1, 2 and 3. 3 steps. So here the steps will be less. Like 25, how many are? 25 40s are. Okay, and 25 10s are. Now 40 and 10 are present in which same table? 10. So 10 4s are and 10 1s are. So here you will see that the steps are less. So any method you can do. As I said, the only thing what you have to check is both the numbers should be present in the same table. And go on doing it till you get the lowest form. Now 4 upon 1 we cannot reduce further. We cannot divide it by any table that we will get still smaller number. Okay, so that's it. You will stop. Clear? I had mentioned earlier, this is for homework, 6th sum, but then I have solved it completely. Now the 7th, 8th and 9th, they are for homework. I will just show you their conversion. Okay, that is here paise and rupees is there. So we will convert rupees to paise. We know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Okay, so in that case, the question will be 60 paise, and instead of 1 rupee, we will write 100 paise. Okay, and the question will be, we have to find a ratio of 60 paise upon 100 paise. And further, you all will solve. Okay, now here, grams and kilograms. Okay, now here, kilogram, half kg is given. We know what is half kg. Half kg is 500 grams. So if half kg is 500 grams, the question becomes 750 grams and 500 grams. So we have to find a ratio of 750 grams and 500 grams. Okay. Further, you all will calculate. We will go on doing by which table they are divisible. Here in the first sum, you can start with 10, divide by 10. Here 750 upon 500, you can start with 2, you can start with 5, you can start with 10. The bigger number you take, less steps you have to solve. So you can start again, here you can start with 10 also. Okay. And the last one, we know that centimeter and meter. Okay. And we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So instead of 1 meter, we will put 100 centimeter. So our calculation is in between 125 and 100. And then further thing you all will do as we have solved the other sums. So 7, 8 and 9, the first part I have done for you all. So that calculation, the conversion becomes easier for you all. But after converting, you all have to do the reducing, you all have to do. So as I gave you all the hints, that 60 with the help of 10, okay, 10 6 are 60 and 10 10s are 100. Still you go on further dividing till you get the smaller number. 750 and 500 also you can start with 10 you can do, you can take the other numbers also, 25 also you can take. If you want, you can take 50. Okay, so depends if you can divide it, well and good, otherwise take up to 10. 10 is easier. So you can divide first by 10 and then go on doing further. 125 and 100 also. They are divisible by 5. They are divisible by 25. Okay. So it is up to you which number you want to start with. Okay. Now after this, the third sum. The third sum is also for homework because it is simple. Rima has 24 notebooks and 18 books. Okay. Find the ratio of notebooks to books. Both are books only. Only one is a notebook and other is a book. Okay. So they have asked in the question itself that you have to find the ratio of notebook is to books. So notebooks will be written first and then the books. So 24 notebooks upon 18 books. 24 upon 18, divide with a number that is divisible by both the numbers and bring it to the lowest form. Fourth and fifth sum, they are deleted. Now we go to the sixth sum. Shubham's age today is 12 years and his father's age is 42 years. Shubham's mother is younger than his father by 6 years. Younger means smaller. So if Shubham's mother is smaller to father by 6 years, comparison is done between mother and father, and mother is 6 years small or younger. So we have to subtract 6 from father's age to get mother's today's age. So mother's today's age will be 42 father's age minus 6. Okay, so since mother is 6 years smaller, we have to reduce 6. Make less, so minus. Okay. Now after this they have given us 3 questions. We have to find 3 ratios. First ratio we have to find ratio of Shubham's age today and his mother's age today. Shubham's today's age is given 12. Mother's today's age was not given, but it was told that she is 6 years smaller or younger. So as I told you that father's age is 42 and mother is 6 years younger to father. So 42 minus 6 will give you today's age of mother. So first ratio, that, second ratio and the third ratio. So as we are doing, I will read and tell you what we have to do. Okay. Now, in the first ratio, we have to find ratio of Shubham to Shubham's age to mother's age. Okay. Before that, since Shubham's age is 12 years and Shubham's mother's age today we don't know, but she's 6 years younger to father. So we have to subtract 6 from father's age. So we get 36 because 42 minus 6. Okay, will give you 36 years. So mother's today's age is 36 years. Okay, now we have to take the ratio of Shubham's age and mother's age today. Okay, today's age. So 12 upon 36. So 12 upon 36. 12 and 36 are divisible by which number? They both are present in the table of 12. So 12 divided by 12 and 36 divided by 12 it should be. By mistake I have written 3. Okay. So it will give you 1 upon 3. Okay. So in this way the ratio of Shubham's age today and mother's age today is 1:3. Second is we have to find the ratio of Shubham's mother's age today to his father's age today. Mother's age and father's age, both the ages we know. Mother's age is 36 years and father's age is 42 years. Therefore, when we take the ratio, mother is to father. Always keep in mind which word is written first has to be written at the top. If it is mother's is to father, 36 upon 42. If it is father's to mother, then it is 42 upon 36. Okay. So remember what is written first has to be written at the top. Then as 36 and 42, both they are divisible by which number we have to divide, and we know that 36 and 42 they are divisible by 6. So 6 6 are 36 and 6 7s are 42. So this is the ratio of age of mother is to father. And the third question is we have to find the ratio of Shubham's age to his mother's age when Shubham was 10-year-old. Today Shubham is 12-year-old. But when he was 10-year-old 2 years back. If today Shubham's age is 12 years, 2 years back he was 10-year-old. So if 2 years back when he was 10-year-old, what will be mother's age? Mother also will be 2 years earlier, that is 36 minus 2. So first that we have to find. So Shubham's today's age is 12. Shubham's mother's age when he was 10 years, that is 2 years back. Shubham's age today is 12. Minus 2 will give you 10 years. Okay. So mother's also 2 years back will be 34. Today mother is 36-year-old and 2 years back she was 34-year-old. Okay. So we have to take the ratio of age of Shubham to the age of mother 10 years when he was 10 years. That is 2 years back. So when Shubham was 10-year-old, mother was 34. I hope this is clear. Third point. Today Shubham is 12-year-old. Okay. But when Shubham was 10-year-old, 2 years back. Today mother is 36-year-old. So 2 years back she will be 34. So we have to take 10 and 34. The age which is 2 years back. 2 years back Shubham was 10-year-old and mother was 34-year-old. Okay. The ratio again 10 and 34 is divisible by 2. So divide by 2 and we get the answer 5:17. And you check if further we can divide. No, 5 and 17 are not divisible, so we will keep it as it is. Okay, with this we have finished the practice set 28, and please solve all the sums of practice set 28 in your notebook, and whichever sums are given for homework, even those sums should be completed in the notebook. Please write all the sums which are taught in this video in your notebook. Thank you.